Good morning, IBC. A very interesting topic this morning, bird migration. Bird migration is more complex than planning a family vacation. Birds start preparing themselves for fall migration as the amount of daylight shortens. They go into a feeding frenzy in order to gain as much weight as possible. Then they begin to gather into groups, experiencing migratory restlessness. At just the right moment, all over the world, billions of birds take off on perilous migratory flights. How do they know their destinations? Scientists have shown that birds raised in captivity, completely separated from parents, still know when and where to migrate. It is actually programmed into their DNA. Let's look at some facts. Scientists are discovering multiple migration mechanisms. Number one, birds use landmarks such as rivers, mountains, and seashores. 2. Some birds use the sun compass, which requires an internal clock. The sun's movement and the bird's internal clock allow them to calculate their direction. Number 3. Many birds migrate primarily at night when there is less wind and fewer predators. These birds use a star compass. If the birds migrate beyond the equator into another hemisphere, they need to know the stars in the hemisphere as well. Number 4, what if it is cloudy? Birds seem to have the ability to sense and navigate by the Earth's magnetic fields. Birds have been found to have small amounts of magnetic crystals in their heads. That is, they have a built-in computer. Number 5, birds have been found to use polarized light, ultraviolet light, air pressure differences, odors, and low-frequency sounds made by the wind and sea to aid their migration. Amazing. Since more than one navigational method is required for successful migration, the problem for any evolutionary explanation is multiplied exponentially. Even one navigational method programmed into a bird's DNA is amazing, but God has provided multiple backup methods. This is testimony to a creator whose awesome power and intellect reveals that no detail is too small for his consideration. Jesus says in John 14, verse 6, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father but by me. Thank you.